Hi, welcome back again to this short video here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the distributor cup and rotor, which you can see here in this picture here. The one on your left, this one here, that's the cup, the distributor cover. This is a Chevy Express cargo van. You can see we are changing right there. The distributor. That's where the distributor is right there. You can see right there. That's the distributor right there. It goes in there. These are the wires. The wires that go to your spark plugs. They connect to that distributor cap right there, and the rotor goes inside the distributor. And the reason you're changing, you can see, if you can look, you can see the connection here. See, the connection here is burnt out. So the vehicle won't start. It wants to start, but it won't start. So that's the problem right there. You can zoom in and see. See, that's the problem right there. So the reason we're changing, you can just change this by itself, the rotor by itself. But for the price, it's just better to just change both of them at the same time because of the price. It's more reasonable to buy them both together and change them both together. And if you check our next video, we'll talk about what the rotor and distributor cover, what the rotor does, the work of the rotor and the distributor cover. We'll talk about it. These are the six. It's a 6 cylinder. These are the six wires going here. You can see. The next video will talk about how they go in and why it's numbered. You can see 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5. We'll talk about that in the next video. So check our next video. But this video is just to show you how the distributor cover looks, what it is, and the rotor, what it is, and why we're changing it, and why when you have a car starting issues, that's the first place you should go. If it's turning but it's not starting, check your distributor cover right there. That's the problem. And this is a Chevy Express cargo van, and it goes right there. So check the next video we're gonna do about this, and check our other videos. We have a lot of videos about these issues. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a good day. Bye.